will disrupt peace and may create law and order problems. Informing that he had apprised the political parties that this was needed for the maintenance of law and order in the district, he also informed that the political parties have agreed to this proposal. The police have registered a case against top HYC leaders after members of the group dismantled some 80 dwellings at Lom Survey yesterday. The police have booked HYC President Roy Kuparsindram, Vice President Don Bok Lang Karlingdo, Assistant General Secretary Isaac Basayamot, and others under relevant section of the IPC. East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner S.C. Sadhu said that they are firm about initiating action according to the relevant provisions of the law, while asserting that there is no exception in this regard. He said the police and magistrate responded soon after receiving a report that members of the Nyotrep Youth Council HYC went to dismantle the houses of the alleged illegal settlers at Lom Survey. According to him, this kind of approach will create more law and order problems